for them in your house, people. In your house, you need for them right now.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, everybody? Alright, so today as me saying up on a rainy day here in Jamaica, you know, say we have some tropical depression or something that go on out the sea the way. You know it affect the island right now, you see me? So yeah, right now I'm there. You know, a little Plaza, Portmore, me I try look a little parking space close to the Plaza section, but close to the something, but I don't see none. The lady I go come out. I go and juke her and see if she come out and I can catch in her spot. But yeah. Me a look a little parking. Me a look a parking. My people. Alright, me a block up some people here, so make me just circle back round again. I look like I'm blocking, but yeah, people, the rain a move crazy right now, people. It's what? Couple minutes after 4, about 2 minutes after 4, the rain a move crazy right now, people. You see me? Yeah, it a move crazy. You see me? Yeah, man. Some day I may try look a little parking, you know? To see if I can park, but I want to park close as possible to down there, so but I don't see none close, people. I don't see none close. This is the closest one. I mean, everything I can stay right there, so because I'm too close beside them vehicle. Alright, she come out. Right, so me I look for go right now that little spot there right there, so people. Right now a little space there, so me I look for go, you know. Forgive me the people through me a reverse and thing, you know, me have to pay attention. But the rain a shower down, people. Yo! Judge, I know if you watch from Jamaica, make me know it's still here neck of the woods there. You see me? Yeah, make me know it's still here inside. Right now with me there, it a shower down like, you know, the gas it out, the gas it out. You know the gas is it a shower down. Yeah, my people. So me I look for run out now. I go in at the supermarket, I grab something. I really time, I grab something so I can cook some food. You see me? So here I go on. But they have a show on the weather, I show on what I go on still, you know. I'm about to drive. I drive go back at Old Harbour, so stay tuned when I come back. You see me? Stay tuned, I'm so far. Alright people, so I'm back in the car and the rain is shower down like crazy. In front of the supermarket are chaos, people, because street have a little shelter area. So when the people them buy, them actually are wait for, you know, the car to come pick them up. You know, cause you know some of them, most of them don't have no umbrella. So them actually are wait for the vehicle to come pick them up. So a chaos, as you can see in front of me right there, so this has stem from the vehicle underneath the little shelter part. And then some people pull up, and who them pull up for another day, and them don't want to move because it's a long line, you get me? So it's just, yo, I don't know. Like Jamaica, and enjoy with that place still, you know, it don't look like we used to them something here, you know. Trust me, it don't look like we used to this at all. Trust me, people. Yeah, it don't look like we used to it. Jamaica want enjoy with that place, man. Trust me. And as you can see now, the whole glass fag up, people. The whole glass fag up. Try to clear it there. Clear it off the people. Hold on. We have to clear it off there. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man. So as I tell you, say, I be a chaos, people. This is where the weather. This is what happens in Jamaica when we have them weather here. Chaos, people. Chaos, chaos, chaos. Right now, I not even want to turn to my right now, so because that take a while to come out because you have vehicle come down the other way. And if you push out there, you go block the road. That's why that man don't move all now because if no want to go out, they go block the way. You get me? So me, I go just go around and go at the back of the line where I go, so because I feel it a little bit easier. Especially like how I want to go underneath the shed right there, so. You understand? So yeah. Be a water in a plaza, yeah, people. Be a water. Be a water in a plaza, yeah. Oh my word. Chaotic, people, trust me. Chaotic. Alright, so I say I go back right there, so because yeah. What is this guy doing? Why am I on him four-way flasher? Him now go up under there? I'm planning to stop right there. But it's crazy. Right now it's what? About 4:30 right now, people. About 4:30 and the place dark up, dating. Trust me, it's chaotic. In Jamaica, we don't used to them rain and them weather here, people. Sunshine we used to 24/7. You understand? That's what we used to, master. Do you want out there? Let's see. Something wrong with that van now? Leave back there. I'm going to see if I can come out that side there because the axe here don't look like it will come out. So better I come out and see. But in good park though. Because from me I come out in park there so. Yeah. And the place I shower down, people. Be a rain. Right now, as I tell you earlier, I make my way go straight back at Old Harbour right now, but right now, you know, people, at the highway, me a pre, you know, car. And then the mood for going in the traffic, go through Spanish Town and all of that. You get what me I say? You depend on that right now, trust me. I don't go too hectic. Scared to direct traffic. You cannot call me, you know, see this man in reverse, you need to stop this man here. You can't even know what him do, you don't have a clue, watch him. Man, better you go on home and go on in your cubicle to sit down here, man. Because you see it look like him have a clue what take place right there, right now. You don't have a clue. You don't know what to do. Yeah, my people. Portmore City with that. We have Sovereign Village, one little shopping center or a plaza, anything you want to call it. And this out there right now and whole place a shower down people. Be water. Watch man. Carry this up. No, brother. Hey, whole heap of water this still, you know. Oh, Rosie said many water like over Elsha. Yo, this serious. Right now you need for them in your house, people. In your house you need for them right now. What you doing, lady? Lady, what you doing? Why the lady want to come down on the corner right this? A taxi shall stop? I just not get it, but right now I don't feel the mood for something there, you know. I don't feel the mood for something there. You have cash, you can take one. I feel the mood for drive to Spanish Town in this Panday old road right now. I better take the something there. Run. Oh, this is serious. This ain't no joke. Watch water, people. Man, if you can't see the road, right now, poor visibility, you know, man. You can't hardly see out the road, you know, man. How the traffic stay going in Spanish too. The rain is no joke, you know. Friday evening, wash out. Watch water. Watch water, man. Yo. Water thing is serious. Yes. don't let some flooded for true, you know. Just because I did see some people they see that road over did want to take a while ago. Going to Spanish Town around the flood out because I did see some release from some media house. I say they might tell people to avoid this and take a different path. If them can, you know. Yeah, so it flooded around there for true. Just I remember. On the platform, you find something tool. So the weather bad around this, you know. That's why, you know, so you can't see the people that come up Mandela and them place there. And that's why you see them up on them 4 coming in. Look at water. So you see what I tell you with the building and why the water cycle. Because through them dump up over this, you know, because normally no water not cycle in them place normally, you know. But because the dumping up go on and the building go on. So the water actually run off. You know the dumping and it go on a slope and all of that. So this is why, like when them build a new road, areas whenever used to flood to start flood out all of a sudden. And that what cause it. Alright people, this ain't no joke. This is serious stuff. But as I say, I make a wake up all over, we go up on the toll around here so, and then cruise go in, you know. Yeah, the beauty about it is once you up off of the toll, pretty much boom. You understand? That's the beauty about it. You might have a little bit of traffic at the toll plaza right there, you know, maybe, but still not that bad. Oh yeah people, see the weather here. I don't know if you can see properly out there, you know, but trust me. HRV them, I don't know if I like the front grill too much. Them look nice, but them a give a luxury look with a whatever, but I don't know if I like the front grill. Maybe we need to see some more of it. Yeah. But I hear that about the new ones, man. The HRV. Yeah. Yeah. Them nice though, you know. Them nice, but I don't know if I like the front grill. But them nice.
You know what they say, they're nice.
Yeah. Look more. Yeah. But sure man, I broke down with an umbrella out there, so. Sure know, brother. Well, I guess he must say he want to go home, so he must try a thing. Why people earlier, when we come that side and the rain never too there, but it look like a rain, you know. And this definitely look like it go straight into tomorrow. To how this look, yep. And as you know, we have Portmore people, so when it a rain in a Portmore, you know, whole universe a flood out. We know which part you there right now with the rain. Rain up all like whole universe, everywhere. Because Portmore they get rain, trust me. When you see Portmore get rain, man, you know say, yeah, it's there everywhere. Everybody right now I try to get to them people. Everybody. I try them best to get to them. But you don't want the outer road in this right now. I'm telling the people. Persons are just trying to get in. I mean, what them water don't compare to where been a see, you know, all about the place, you know. Because people are pretty sure we want to see some more, we want to see some Deva video. Like, these are just, you know, I mean, here we are drive and the visibility, you know, we have to take our time still. But trust me, this, compared to some places, as you can see, them people have on them four-way flasher, them have come from Mandela Highway. Them have on them four-way, so I know, because when the rain fall around this, you know, people, I'm telling you, you know, it's serious. You can't see nothing. When the rain really shower up, even the road itself, there are many times too when me dep on the road they are coming. I mean, I tell you, you barely can see. Barely can see. That's why them have on them four-way flasher. So them make sure say anybody they behind them can see say, oh yeah, there is a car here. Splash up. Man. Yo. This is serious. We have to look for all the patrol them too, you know. Because that's another thing, the road full of water and then the patrol them, so you know that part they go to. They look good. In front of it. We're gonna just go to the roundabout and then make the left, jump on it. Because them flooded road I have to jump best for avoiding. Yeah, people. Alright, so we make it out of the little traffic for now. People could have take all the highway to, you know, cause they don't breathe the same thing. They want to reach home as quick as possible. The visibility are getting worse, you know, people. Yo. Yeah. Visibility poor, my people. No, we got to get home. Judge have no people. Serious, you know. You're not sure what I'm harder. right now, you just say what they are Spanish town. So we go up on the highway, you can say what they are across from the town of Spanish town right now. You get me? So yeah, that's how we basically reach. And I'm gonna say all about where I go. So we have a little ways left to go, you know? You know, like how the rain, you know, you can't go that fast. You know, it's gonna take a little bit longer than usual. Alright, now say if you want to that side there though. Alright, this is good. So, for the people who are going like Spanish town and them places, that's them that exit. Yeah, them that come off right there, so. Alright, so the rain start back here so again now. Why do you take them time? Boy, picture if me da all of you go all man the fly the war man, you know? Down in a Manchester there. Yo! Because it's serious in the people, so like the backwalk gorge and them place them close it, you see me? Yeah, no traffic, so if you live them side there, you have to probably take you have to go take the toll. Now you probably have to jump on the toll. And take the toll. I don't know if you live directly in the gorge, like oh you'd reach home still, but you see me, because one time one man they live in the gorge and them lock the barrier, because them have some barrier in the people. And them lock the barrier and the man lick off the lock, them and fight. I think he made up that court. I don't remember how much him get charged, but the man say I say him live and how him go home. You get me? But I don't remember what he become of that case still. Serious. Jamaica don't used to them where they are people. I get poorer and poorer right now, people. Guess it's raining harder down here, so. Alright, the rain kinda ease up. Rain kinda ease up, people. You know that bad out there, so. But maybe not talk too soon still, cause we'll catch to our next little part and I'll be a thing again. This will come down back. One minute after 5 now, people. Normally the place still bright up and something and the place look dark like a night. Almost reached the toll plaza too. Right, I toll boat. Almost reached. It's a kilometer away. So yeah. Almost home, people. Almost home. Yo. Honestly, if we take the whole road, I don't think we'd reach in our town or Spanish town yet. Or even if we did up on the bypass, I don't think we'd catch. I don't think we'd catch this. But the traffic, what I know say we would have out there, I don't think so. That only about I think I've told about 6 something. 6 or 7:40. I don't remember. I don't have no tag, people. I 70 lad up on my tag. The other night I go Maypen. And I think when I come back home and I go through, I think it showed my balance was like $70. So I need to top up my tag too. So we almost reach Olava basically, people. Like if you're familiar with Olava, you have a place named Gutters. We basically the cross from Gutters. That's where we basically is right now. The cross from Gutters. $6.70 for this. You see one sign? You see one sign. Let me see one sign. We're gonna show them people. Yeah, this side of the tag lane. That's what it's saying too. But that's all I set up, you can either use the tag or you can go through. See? See the oh man, I'm gonna see somebody come through. Yeah, maybe a class. Phone just some now. Maybe you sure that wasn't in balance? Yeah. 6 bills for this. So I guess when you have tag it cheaper, better discount. Just like the one time we take it in this over there. Yeah. That's it, 6 bills that's all. I want to see somebody say high balance. Not even show them balance, it just say high balance. Yeah. Alright, so the rain kind of ease up down here, so people. Well, let me not say that. Every time I say so, it comes up more. So we just stay a few more minutes away from our destination, you know, people. So, you see me? Yeah. So when you see the sign that shows says the whole harbour exit that come up. Yeah. So pretty much there, people. Exit is right around this corner. Alright, so basically, you know, people, how weed is, you know. Yeah, basically, how weed is. Because, me I go right there, so. Even a far distance, right? That's off of the tool and watch water. Alright, my people, so basically right so the video gonna come to an end, you know, so let's up on yourself when you don't know the thing goes in. Yeah, man. Home. Alright? Yeah.
wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want.